What are we doing?
Grabbing.
And there's one in the water. That's like a big one.
Ooh, yeah, that's a big one. Does it record everything I say?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. I bet everybody on planes flew over here. Because they look down and say, hey, we can see the ground. There's ants. We can see ants. Cool. Did he get a hook? Is he hooked on it?
He's on there.
There he is. That's a good one. Yes, we got one. He's never.
What do you think?
We caught one. We caught one.
Now he's too small. We got to throw him back. He's just a baby, so we're going to throw him back. Okay, let me get my bait back. But they will bite the heck out of you, kid. So you got to be careful. See, look at him.
He's like saying, I've got my bait, so keep it to the net and I get it. I'm like Ariel, and that's the crab. The nervous crab. I think that was the crab that was on that one.
It might have been.
But I know there was a crab on that one.
Yeah, there might have been. Now you see why you put a lot of lines out, you get a lot more hits.
Yep. That one's not even got a touch.
But where there's little ones, there's big ones. You got to keep that in mind, okay?
Hey, look at all those loose lines from crabs. Very stubborn, very stubborn. Oh.
Okay, here's Boo Boo pulling her crab.
Oh. You're being a stubborn crab.
Shh, you got to be quiet and pull up just a little at a time.
You think I still have it?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I don't feel it. Oh. He's stubborn. He dropped.